where the morning air is fresh and nature wakes in shades of green. A timeless craft begins. Here, every leaf tells a story. The story of patience, purity, and generations devoted to tea. Only the finest 2 leaves and a bud, hand-plucked with care, preserving the true character of pure Ceylon tea. From leaf to cup, each step follows tradition, guided by expertise and respect for quality. No shortcuts, no compromises, just authentic flavor, naturally preserved. The result, a cup that carries depth, aroma, and the unmistakable taste of Ceylon. Smooth, refreshing, pure. Bluefield pure Ceylon tea, rooted in nature, crafted with pride,